Hey guys, welcome back. Sean and Alice, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. What are we doing, Alice?
We are looking at the common areas of dunes of Panama.
And the phone is blowing up in my pocket, so I don't know how long this video will be. So what I recommend you do is, if we don't cover everything, go ahead and subscribe to the playlist for Dunes of Panama, and we will get to the fitness area. We will get to the other pools. So just flip through the playlist. I don't know when that will happen, but it will come soon. All right, so we right now
We're right in front of Building A.
Yes, we are. And we actually took a step up to the upper level of this walkway.
Yellow flags today, so...
That's not a yellow fly, that's a helicopter.
No, honey, yellow flags.
Yeah, I see it, I see it. But I was running with the whole yellow thing.
I know, so cute.
Okay, so as Alice mentioned, this is Building A. And then there's a walkway over to the pool over there. Let's see if we can go closer and take a peek. Making our way down the boardwalk towards the pool. There's actually several grilling stations here.
Summer is here.
And there's a little tiki bar that is seasonal. Right there. And there is the pool of Building A. So we've time warp jumped from over there where we started the video to now we have Alice in an outdoor shower.
And back to the beach.
And beach access. Wonderful. Actually, do you know what that is straight ahead over there? Is that a
The
clubhouse?
clubhouse, yes.
Okay. Cool.
We could party there.
So that we have Building B in the background over there. Building A, B.
Logically, it would be C, right?
Yes. Let's go over there.
Okay.
Actually, before we go over to the other areas, right behind that tiki bar we mentioned a moment ago, there's more outdoor showers. So you don't get stuck in the rain while you shower. Alice is already jumping ahead. She's checking to see if the clubhouse is open.
It's locked.
It's locked. We don't have a reservation. Okay, so now we got pool number 2. The fact that no one's in it is making me think that it's not heated. I'm gonna tell you for sure though. Let's push Alice in and see if she freaks out. Come here. Come here. Check it. Check it. Well, she's tough.
Silly Casilli.
She's tougher than I thought. She didn't fall for it.
It's cold.
Yeah, so not heated. So this pool is between buildings B and C here. And there's another access point to the beach with some showers to rinse off the sand. And I think we'll save the other pool and the fitness center that's over near, I think it's in building D and E.
Right.
So we'll wrap this one up for now. If you want to say our goodbyes, don't forget to
Subscribe. Hit the like button.
I'm giving her little motion cues.
And give us a call.
All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to the playlist, and we'll cover the other common areas of Dunes of Panama on a future video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Catch you on the next one.